Third millennium, humanity wakes up, stretching its limbs and rubbing its eyes. Remnants of some awful nightmare are still drifting across its mind.
Hello, welcome back to the Apples and Amanda show. I'm your host Amanda, and I always have apples with me. Hi, good morning. I am currently in the car because I am at school. If you guys don't know, if you haven't been keeping up and you're just tuning in, I currently am a dietitian. I work in a hospital as a clinical dietitian. I'm a yoga teacher. I went to India to learn yoga this year and last year. Make sure you check out those vlogs if you haven't yet. And currently, I've been one, but even more so now. Currently I am a pre-med student, so I am at a community college this year taking the rest of my prerequisites, which is organic chemistry. I needed to calm down after that word. And physics. So yeah, I did my morning routine of journaling, yoga, got my stuff together, and now I'm at school. I have a pretty long day here. I start at 9 in the morning and I end at like almost 7-ish p.m. So pretty much here all day. I will try to vlog as much as possible and take you around with me today. If you like this kind of content, by the way, I do share a lot more about my dietitian life as well as just like me in general, what I eat, vlogs mostly. If you like that kind of stuff, then make sure you press the subscribe button and like the video so I know like which type of videos in particular you like. I'll see you when I see you. I'm gonna go to class. By the way, I finally got another water bottle that actually has a straw top, so I've been hydrating. Remember how I would say that I never drink water while I'm at work? Because honestly at work it goes by so fast that I don't even think to drink water. But I brought this water bottle with me yesterday and I drank it, and that's a full 40 ounces of water that I drank. Okay, it is now 3 hours. No, it's been like 5 hours past. I'm now in my car. I'm gonna eat lunch. I brought some potato chickpea tacos. I'll just bring it over. So again, I meal prepped before this. I don't know if I told you guys this, but I've been meal prepping. So I have these potato tacos. They are a recipe from Forks Over Knives. I actually subscribed to their meal planner. So now I have all these recipes and they put a grocery list together for me, and I just go out, get the groceries. I have the recipes that I need to make. So anyway, I just spent the longest time looking for my car because I parked my car and forgot where I parked it as usual, and then I parked it in the employee parking lot. So of course I got a parking citation even though I paid for a parking permit here. But it's okay because I'm hungry and I'm gonna eat, and I'm not gonna be upset about it because honestly, that was my fault. I do a lot of stupid stuff like that. I lock my keys in my car, I forget where I park, I get lost a lot. Even when I'm following GPS, I still manage to miss my exits. Like, there's a lot of stuff about me that is just, there's such simple things, you know? So anyway, I'm on my break. I have 30 minutes before my next class, so I'm just gonna eat my lunch here and relax and then head into class. Oh my gosh, these potatoes are so good. I feel like I didn't go into depth about what was in here. There's like potatoes, chickpeas, nutritional yeast, pasilla peppers, and spices, and spinach right here. Sometimes I look at my food and I'm like, oh man, all I eat literally are carbs. Like I just eat carbs. By the way, for those of you who take it literally, no, I don't just eat carbs. Remember when I used to eat high fat, low carb? Now I just eat whatever I want, and it always ends up being about mostly carb. But I'm not counting anything right now. I'm not tracking. I'm not following a special diet. I'm just intuitively eating. It's feeling really good. Sometimes I want to eat like 5 avocados a day. No, actually, sometimes I want to eat 2 avocados a day. And then other times I just want to eat no avocados a day, actually. I used to eat like avocado every day, but I can live without it. Mostly because I don't have time to go grocery shopping as often as I used to. But it's fine. I don't need to have something every single day. That's what intuitive eating is about. It's about, really, it's about food not being anything more than just nourishment for your body. Also really fun, also a good experience. But you know, sometimes you just don't get to eat what you want, and that's okay, because you'll get another day to eat what you want. And yeah, like letting go of the fact that I need to control every aspect of my food every day has really brought me so much like freedom and calm and peace with what I eat. So thought I would just leave that in there for those of you who might be struggling with that. Like, it's okay. Chew with your mouth open. Eat what you want. Talk with food in your mouth. It's okay. Who's gonna judge you? Like, everyone around you? Who cares? They're not you. They don't know your story. By the way, if you are an OG and you've been watching from the very beginning, this is pretty much the same school that I went to get my prerequisites for my nutrition degree, and then I went to school, went into my nutrition program, and then came out, and now I'm back here again because I need more classes. So yes, I am using community college for cheap education. Also, it's just so hot in here. Like, look at how red my cheeks are. My car doesn't have really good AC, so that's another thing. Anyway, it's almost 3:30, almost time for my class, so I'm gonna put on my shoes because, you know, I gotta take them off during break, and then I'm gonna go to class. I am literally at school until it turns dark. I mean, you can't tell that it's super dark right now, but the sun's definitely gone down. I'm finally done. I was gonna go to the gym today, but I am just too tired, so I'm just gonna go home. I had to make a quick stop at my sister's house because I'm always vlogging. I vlogged the entire day in my car, I think. But I had to make a stop at my sister's house to pick up this baby oat milk. Because you guys know, I go to oat milk. I mean, I don't go to oat milk lattes. I almost said I go to oat milk lattes. That's how tired I am right now. But you guys know that I go to cafes all the time to do homework and study and do work and blah, blah, blah. And I always get oat milk lattes. And I'm like, I spend so much money on these things. I should just make them at my own home. Well, the thing is, I just don't want like something that's special to be at home, because then it won't be as special. Like, there's this nice thing about having a ritual, going to a coffee shop and just being in that atmosphere and buying the coffee and really enjoying it. I mean, I know that not everybody can do it, or not everybody wants to do it, but I don't really buy anything else for myself. So it's kind of like it's like taking myself out on a date, and I think it's really important for self-love. But that's beyond the point. So I just decided to get this oat milk creamer because I do really I started to like my coffee a little bit less sharp, so I can enjoy sipping it while I'm working, and like if I'm at home or if I bring it with me to work. So I got this oat milk oat milk creamer, and then it's at my sister's house because I've been cooking for her and her family, just making like huge batches of meals, and also like basically making food for myself along with them, so that I'll have some variety in my diet, and they'll also have like more healthy choices and colorful things, and you know, the fiber and the fruit and all that good stuff. So yesterday is the designated day that I go to their house and like grocery shop, meal prep, and then I just bring home my portion for the week with me, and then I meal prepped myself too, and I get to spend time with my sisters. So that's always a plus. Oh my gosh, that was a whole mouthful, but just thought you guys didn't need to hear this, but I subjected you to it anyway. Okay, so I'm home right now, and my grandma and her caretaker are watching TFC back there. It's a Filipino channel, so don't mind the noise. But look at this setup right now. I'm just like so proud of us. Ignore this. Anyway, maybe I should eat the rest of this curry. I made curry the other day, like a huge batch. My family has been digging into it. Maybe I'll finish it. Look at what is down here. Like I mentioned before, I meal prepped a bunch with my sister. And so this is a curry. There's like pesto, you can't really tell. There's like pesto pasta in here, corn chowder, and more pasta, and just limes. Because it's really good too. I found that when I do meal prep things, eating is just so much easier. I mean, eating is always easy, right? But when I do meal prep things, it is really nice for me to just go and grab the food that I want to eat and then heat it up, rather than like doing a whole setup. Oh my gosh, there's like so much noise everywhere I go in my house. Okay, so this is what I came up with. It's just the curry, and I found some corn, and I roasted some carrots earlier in large batches, so it's right here. And then I decided that I wanted to eat it with some nori, so I'm gonna be putting it in and topping it with some cashews. They're supposed to be chopped, but you know, we lazy out here. Also, how ridiculous is this? You know, you're hearing this TFC. This is like every day of my life. I know one of you at least can relate. Maybe not TFC, maybe like a Hispanic soap opera channel show, or like Indian or Korean drama. I know one of you guys can relate. Just every day, 24/7. Either that or baby music, because my nephew also lives here. Good morning. I know it has been a couple days since my last clip, and you guys probably didn't even know that, but in between that day I had worked twice in a row, so I didn't have time to really study or do anything. And also I'm trying to get my life together right now. Literally, like, these are clean clothes, okay? I just haven't had time to fold and put them away. So that's what I'm doing right now before I go to a cafe and start studying. And I work tomorrow. So today's my first free day that I've had in about, like 2 weeks or maybe a week. I slept for 12 hours. I went home yesterday after work. I ate and then I just passed out. And then this morning I woke up at like 8:30. You know when you wake up really, really late, or like you realize you haven't had that much sleep and you're just like stuck in a state of limbo, like, oh my god, this is what feeling rested is like. So I think I feel too rested. I averaged about 4 or 5 hours of sleep previously, and then I just got 12 hours. So that was a huge jump, and now I'm trying to like get my brain back into the motion. So I'm gonna try to put this laundry away so I can finally be done. It's been sitting here for a couple days, and while I'm doing that, I am also watching Khan Academy videos, just so I'm not like wasting time really. This is about acid bases and stuff, so this has really helped me throughout my school life, and I know it'll help me for organic chemistry as well. So just listening, and then I'm gonna go to a coffee shop and study this actually and do my homework from the book. So this is what I'm up to, and that is what I'm going to be doing. And now I'm going to close up the vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. There are going to be a lot more vlogs just like this where we're hanging out and show you throughout my day, get you around my day, and just watch. You guys can watch me suffer and crawl through, and you know, I will be here for you to answer your questions or interact with you. I don't even know, but I'm having a lot of fun in this process. Don't think that just because I'm stressed and I'm like tired and sleepy that I don't want to do this, because this is still something that I want to do. Making YouTube videos and connecting with you guys is still one of my really big passions, and I hope to continue that. And I hope that you guys know that if I'm pushing through it, then you guys got to be pushing through it too. I can't be the only one doing it, okay? So with that, I hope you have a wonderful morning, noon, day, or night wherever you are. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so that you can see me when I see you next time. If that makes any sense. Does it make sense? I don't know. Okay, bye.